bakhamba nelungu le-SGP ngoba uNdaba Ezitha ngaphambi ukuthi ngifake isikole saba nomhlangano ne-SGP ngosondaha nakuzoba ne-parents meeting sathola ukuthi uhlokwenkulu walesikole azange abrief i-SGP eja nge-issue yesiNdebele la kwahlanga ukuthi unyaka ozayo kunasikole esakufundisa isiNdebele kwahlanga ku-grade R isiZulu akunasikole esafundisa isiZulu unyaka ozayo wa-grade R. Ubaba uNzolo wabafundela umthetho from ku-South African Schools Act, but the-principal yena azange kube umuntu etshela i-SGB bathi naba-amenda ipolicy yezamalimi zalapha bafaka isiZulu nesiNdebele i-SGB. Kodwa nasifikwa sinondaba Ezitha sayibetha khulu yasukumisa batshela ama-parents ukuthi khanga nyaka ozayo asinaso isiZulu. Nala ngumakhelwane wabo isikole Ithandweni ibazali nalezinye ezisele iTel Park asinaso isiZulu. So ngicabanga ukuthi size la isigodlo sizokutsho asanga ukuzokulwa mina ukhosi kuyakhombisa ukuthi existence ikhona ikwahlanga ikhona. So isigodlo nabondaba Ezitha bazokupha isupport esikoleni ukuthi namuntu uza kuthusela isikolo la kwahlanga. So ngizokubawa ukusikimisa ozokhulumela isigodlo uNdaba Ezitha uMagodongo. Ndaba Ezitha
ngizokhuluma ngezi phasi baba uNtaka
uzikhulele ngakhuluma phasi
ngiyathokoza ngibawa sithi bayede engwenyameni umabhokwe ingekho ngaphathi kwethu bayede ngwenyama siyathokoza minier ukusivulela amasango okukhulu ukuthi ungene uzohlala nathi uzosizwa ukuthi sibobani sibuyaphi. Size la emva kokuthi sibone incwadi efike kulesi sikolo ingaka-directwa kithi kodwana into esikhwathileko ke lilimi leli elibe yi-subject head yencwadi leya efike lapha esikolweni. Yeke sibukhosi-ke sathola-ke ukuthi kuqakathekile ukuthi sisikime sizokuhlola singahloli phela kodwana sizokugandelela nokunikela isekelo esikolweni ikhangela ukuthi ilimi leli lesiNdebele akusilo ilimi elahlekileko nalingene lapha ekhangela. Sikutshiso yini lokho? Nizokukhumbula unyaka opheleko besikiso sona besikhona la eDelmas sikhamba nengwenyama ngapha kwenraba kunengwenyama ufene ingwenyama yesitshaba samanzunza ilele lapho. Yeke ilimi leli lesiNdebele is not a foreign language, akusilimi lokuphambukela kulimi lehlabathi. Yeke ke kusithikamezile ke thina sibukhosi ungakho ke ingwenyama ithe khambani nokusekela amakhosi wale eDelmas kwahlanga ukuthi nibazise ukuthi lokho okwenzekileko mhlambe ngokwencwadi thizene evelileko ngokungazwisisi ihlelo elilethwe noma eli-introducewe yi-department ngokubhalela isikolo sizokugandelela ukuthi isikolo asingathikamezeki. Le polisi ethi kufanele ikhangela ifundise ilimi lesikhethu sisesephezu kwayo menier sizokugandelela lokuthi nani ningathikamezeki ngoba lokho esizokhuluma la sikwenza la asikwenzi sibukhosi sisodwa nofana sikhamba nendumbeni kodwa sikwenza sikhamba ne-department engicabanga ukuthi ngiyo ephethe inkolo ezikhona lapha eMpumalanga. Yeke igama esibawako nesizama ukuligandelela ukuthi lokana kwenzekileko kwafika mhlambe isivumelwano nofana kwakhulunyiswana kungaba kuhle sihloniphe isivumelwano lesi esenziweko. Sikwenzelani lokho? Sikwenza ngoba ilimi leli sikhuluma ngalo kulilimi efanele livikeleke. Lizokuvikelwa ngubani? Botithere abazokupha abantu bethu ilimi. Babaphela kuphi? Babaphela ngaphakathi kwe-facility yesikolo. Yeke silapha sikhona namhlanje menier sizokusekela sizokutsho ukuthi lokhu mhlambe okwenzekako kokuthikameza ihlelo lelo asikazi ukuvumela sibukhosi ukuthi kwenzeke. Size la sikhamba namakhosi wala abekwa ingwenyama uMabhoko esithathu ubukhosi bakusokhulume ubaba uNyanyako wesibili ngikhamba noNdimande kaNzunza okumakhosi esithe nasuka le sazokusekela wona sikhamba nofisi lezinyama ke elisuke kwaMabhoko namachahliziyo wakwanzunza athe ingeke savumela nofana silinde le umlilo uchise isikolo siyokhuluma nje emva kwendaba yingakho ngicabanga ukuthi incwadi nifunyene ngengaki nge11 12 yeke namhlanje zin21 sifikile la niyeke noma siriyadile la siriyade khona kodwa nasilingile ukuthi akungadluli 14 days singakizi ngoba nasihlalako sizobe siliselela nina nodwa emlilweni le police esikhuluma ngayo ngicabanga ukuthi akusimo umuntu engifanele ngifundise nofana ngiluleke ngaso isikolo ngoba isikolo siphethwe i-Department of Education. I-Department of Education inawo umnyango o-implementa amapolisi thina njengama-beneficiary nofana njengabanikazi belibi kwethu kutsheja ukuthi lokho okukhulunywa umthetho kuyenzeka na kwenzeka ngendlela efaneleko yeke sihlunguke-ke uhlo ukulangekho kodwa nasikholwa ukuthi akwenzeki ukuthi inkomo zihlale zingabi nomlusi ngoba lazingahlala zingabi nomlusi ziza kudla umhabo ulapha nje ungumelusi namhlanje manje nasithula inkulumo le kuwe menier ayikalahleki isithule ezandleni ezirehe esicabanga ukuthi mhlambe kuzakwandilandela umhlangano abondaba ezitabala eDelma ekwahlanga bahlangene namachahliziyo baza kuyiza bazokwenza i-formal meeting mhlambe ukuzogadangisa inkulumo le mhlambe nokuthi bahlangane ne-SGP engicabanga ukuthi neseket yalapha kwahlanga kufanele ibe khona nakukhonakalako udirector kufanele abe khona ekulumeni leyo ukuze singasabuyelela sizoba nenkulumo nje ngokukhanukela kwami ke bengikhanukela ukuthi thana kubizwa abohlokokulu benkolo bonke aboprincipal benkolo lento ekhulunywa la namhlanje iyokufikela endlebeni zakho kwenzele ukuthi kungaba godi litoho lokuthi ngelina ngakose siyeke esinye isikolo kodwa na kube yinto eza kukhamba njengamanye amapolisi avele enziwe nofana alethwe emphakathini amukeleke siwabereke ukuthi afikelele kuwo umphakathi ngicabanga egameni elivela ofisini lengwenyama ngizokujama lapho ngibawa sithi bayede ngwenyama bayede ngwenyama Ndabezithu
no siyathokoza Ndabezithu ngicabanga ukuthi sikhamba noNdabezithu somtchathana naye ingaphasi kwengwenyama uMabhoko ngicabanga ukuthi simention uyambona menyeka Ndabezithu somtchathana ngithi babala babili bathathu abangaphasi kwebukhosi ingwenyama uMabhoko yeah jo eminya uNdabezithu ngicabanga ukuthi umlayezo wokusekela uthulile ngiba ukufakela into yinye mina ngibawa khen bakhombe ngomuntu abotishare laba aba sabotage into yesindebele la ngoba siyazi swabotishare lesiyabazi batshela mina ngibatshela nanye ku staff meeting siyabazi so bakhipha la isikole abasemdumiseni will do the same and ebona yesibase second sibabuyisele emakhaya nibatshela utishare lapho ababhizi laba abamobilize ama parents against isindebele we're not going to take this issue very light uNdabezithu angazi ngibika kuhle ngoba la thina siyabereka bona basibuyisele emuva basibuyisela ngemva so sibawa into beyisithethela ngiyo la nibatshele botshare babize ku staff meeting bonke actually Ndabezithu ngicabanga ukuthi now is high time ukuthi abondabezithu yakhe bamithe bonke labo tishare lapha batshele because of konke la sibuya khona emuva abondabezithu isikole sibuyisa abo tishare abangasimandebele saba ukuthi bazophelwa umbereko ngibo benza 1 2 3 and we know ukuthi ngibo advise ama parents ukuthi yani kubani we know very well but however bakhalime abakhalimeke labo tishare lapha so angazi umenyeri thina sicabanga ukuthi isikhuluma isinye siphe umenyeri besikwazi ukuthi sibawe isiphande
Bayede.
Okay, bayeti. Yeah, ngithi ngiqale ngokuxolisa ne.
Iye.
I was not expecting ukuthi nanoma ngizwe this morning ukuthi I might expect ama visitors from ebukhosini. I was not even aware ukuthi you are coming. Even today. I only noticed this morning, it was past 9, that I must expect ama visitors.
Khuluma mina it's good.
Yeah, okay. All right.
Ngisibuzo.
Okay, all right. Ngizonixolela isikhethu angisazi.
Yeah. Kwabulela.
Yeah, ndiyahamba ne.
Ngiyaba.
Yeah, ngizozama ukuhlanganisa lesizulu. Yeah, so that sizokuzwakala ukuphawula manje. All right. Bengibekisa kini ukuthi no ngiyaxolisa kakhulu ukuthi ukuzithola ngingedwa out of the majority of you ne nginothise ukuthi nizoza ngendaba yesindebele namhlanje in the morning by the principal who is sick leave. Then I don't have much to say ngendaba le yesindebele ne, but what I can tell you ukuthi la esikolweni we also promote isindebele, as we indicated ukuthi le ndawo le indawo yamandebele vele, so there is no way that we can look down upon isindebele. All right, we received a directive from the district to say we must apply officially for isindebele sizoqala ku grade R. I'm the one who applied for that and forwarded the application to the circuit. Fortunate enough, he approved ukuthi isindebele siyaqala. Isindebele saqala ku grade R ne. As I'm speaking now, siku grade 3, of which ku grade 4 siyoqala next year. Siyenze kanjani because angithi ngokuyisizulu kuphela. Ngokuyisizulu kuphela ne. Introduce iclass le early 1 nesindebele. Kanjalo njalo ukuthi when time goes by, it means that the majority of women kuzoba sekuyini kuyisindebele. Uyabona ne? All right. I'm not sitting kuma SGB meetings. The one who's sitting for ama SGB meetings is my principal. So some of the information I'm totally like first-hand information. Then ngizwile ukuthi last Sunday, not this one, the one that I'm coming from, that other one, bokune meeting isindebele namakhosi. But I cannot tell you what was the final outcome about that meeting. I don't know much about the final outcome. Ukuthi nizwene nisuke lapha meeting ngokukhulula kanjani. But what I know ukuthi Sindebele is here and is here to stay. Then we must make sure as a school ukuthi isindebele siyasiphindezelela ukuthi sibe khona ngisho. Njengoba ngithi sikhona. But funny enough abazali bazile bazondlisa abantwana. Batshelo ukuthi si-introduce isindebele. Then jiki abazali bayabuya futhi bathi no isindebele asasifuni sifuna isizulu. Ukuthi kanjani who is influencing them I don't know. Bazile bazobhalisa isindebele. Ne? After all babuya bathi no tina as teachers it's like we are pushing them ukuthi babhalise isindebele bangasifuni. Yabona? And remember, Tina, as teachers, we don't have any right to determine the language, the home language is only. The only structure that determines the language is SGB. SGB ngisho ukuthi it's a structure esimele abazali bala i-community yonke yaseDelmas. Yibo abadeterminayo i-language ukuthi la sifuna ukuthi home language ibe isiZulu or kube isiNdebele or kube iSpedi. Yibo, because thina we are here to work. Sizwa ngabo SGB leyo. In other words, it means that i-SGB mangaba ithi no thina sidetermine ukuthi isiNdebele, we don't have any rights to say no from the parents. I'm sure you yeah. So it came to my surprise. Yeah, Mahamba. It came to my surprise when you are saying, Guti, there are teachers who are cornering these parents to say no. Tina isindebele asisifuni. Ngiyaqala kuyizwa la engawo. Ngiyaqala. Now we don't have that teacher. If bakhona na kutshara abakafiki information there akafiki office ukuthi there are teachers who are against isindebele. To me it's a surprise. But mangaba kukhona lokho, it means that those teachers must be called into order. Yes. Ngoba thina we don't determine language as teachers. Yeah. Okay, to indicate ukuthi thina isindebele whether we like it or not we go for it ne. Sizamile ngawonke amandla ukuthi sibe khona. Though ama facilities singakabi nawo so far like ama textbooks we used to borrow ama textbooks from other schools and the principal unokuthi acele ama textbooks from Lebu kwaMhlanga to furnish our learners with these resources. Yes, we have to introduce isindebele, but in the meantime we don't have ama facilities, ama resources. Phela manje angeke sithi no manje we introduce Afrikaans singana ama resources with Africans. For example, anisho kumele kube nama resources, kumele kube nabo teacher who trained to teach those languages. Fortunate enough thina la we do have those teachers who are capable of teaching isindebele. Njengamanje ngikhuluma isindebele is on la. Is that ukuthi sidisappointwa abazali lawo babhalisa isindebele jikijiki bayabuya nje bathi bafuna isiZulu, of which I don't know ukuthi leyo ibuya phi leyo. I don't know ukuthi ibuya phi leyo. Ukuthi mhlambe ngale meeting benihlezi last Sunday benithi way forward yini ngizwile and I'm aware ukuthi there is a letter from the attorney or lawyer Magqwetha, but the content of that letter I cannot elaborate it because that letter was not directed to me. The letter was directed to the school, and if that letter directed to the school, as a principal I must forward that letter to my employer so that singahlala phansi sibonisane ngale letter ukuthi ithini. If ever it can be cascaded to the structure like Makhosini, if maybe that letter, the content of, depending on the content of the letter, ukuthi ikhuluma ngithini ngesindebele or ngesiZulu, is then that we can weigh it as department ukuthi this one is relevant to Makhosini masindebele kanjalo yabo. Yeah. Because sometimes you might get that letter of which you were not supposed to get it because it was not directed to you. It's a fact. Yeah.
Can we allow yeah. Tumenya kuzokuthokoza ukuthi ukhosi ukhona. Manje minyaka sekayivule khona. Ngithokoza ngoba minyaka na SGP abanikazi besikole. Ngithokoza ukhosi ukhona uzosisekela. Sisikole asisodwa. Yeah, so angeke sim question uminyaka ngisho because akunalo kanje. Just to welcome uminyaka letha ukubuza namakhosi la to say isindebele sindawo labo tishere eba bakhona minyaka. We've got evidence. But sisadila ngayo. Nibakhalima ngithi nje angeke sisokulwisa abantu mhlamba abazi yabona. Nanhle ngima meeting wenu bakhalimeni ukuthi bayanazi angithi asithi ngubani bayanazi whoever lisa lo mkhuba ko wenza phela ngiye bese ilethile la. But however mina sibuya kulamagcwethe enikhuluma ngawo nobukhosi isikole bangarespondi emagcwetheni Sophia neSecond kuba nomhlangano between delegations between ebondaba ezitha nesikolo namagcwethe so sama ukuthi kungabe ne-parallel structure thina senza lokhu bese ngabenza lokhu so now we agreed nabo in principle ukuthi all of us were going to sit together and find a common ground sisoke so but on the side of the school lungisani njenge-management izimvu mazingabi zimbuzi ngoba zingenana nalapho sezingangeni khona ngiyo le besibawa minera so besingeza ukuthi mhlawumbe so-question uminera ukuthi in nani nase sifike esikhathini ukuthi si-question sizoyeka ebantwini laba ebabhizi ngale nto yesindebele bangafuni into isindebele so ithatha from lapho angazi ngibeka kuhle yeah so nje just ukuthi size sikhombise i-availability yamakhosi sikhamba no-speaker kamasipala hayi ukuthi sikhamba ngelo kanje ubaba uNgoma to show ukuthi nohulumende siberegisana naye by the way ubaba uNgoma nasoza nge-first meeting la sofuna introduce isindebele he was here laba inti ba grade 3 ubaba uNgoma was here attended asisengu-MMC so sikhamba nabo nje la so angazi bengibawa ukungayivulela into besokhulumisa munye and then moving forward babale ukuthi no undaba ezinto bawile ukuthi uhlangane nabo principal mina bengathi sayenza umhlangano loyo asangene nabo principal kuze unobhala no-chairperson we-SGB ngoba isuka imoroseke lapho kubabelate then bese sizobona i-second isibiza nini simeme bonke abondaba ezitha bazoku-addresswa from there because mina isiZulu ngiyabozayo grade I asinazo to any school in Delmas asidlali nasitsho njani we're not playing asikho
sisasifuzi
we're not playing
bakhona la
yeah so now kose niliginye lelitshe yeah niliginye lelitshe noma lithisa kangani niliginyeni we're not negotiating we're done negotiating njengamandebele so you must tell the team that you are leading kuthi nangabe abasafuni ukuhlala kwahlanga basitshele so badudula thina because of we are here because of labantu ababangenza umbereko wabo utishela umbereko wakhe ukufundisa akusuku lo kanje amobilize against ama-program wengwenyama we are very clear so ngiwo lokho sikulethile mina we're not apologetic about it we're not here to ask we're here to give the mandate we're very clear simandebele so siyathokoza mina sibawa isiphande ndaba ezithe